Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet headphones cover designs model. A crochet headphones cover is a protective covering made using crochet techniques to fit over the ear pitches of headphones. These covers can serve various purposes, such as adding style, providing cushionings for comfort, or protecting the headphones from wear and tear. They can be customized in terms of color, design, and size to fit different headphones model. Here are some tips for crocheting headphones covers. Choose the right yarn. Select yarn that is soft, durable, and suitable for headphones. Cotton or acrylic yarns are often good choices. Mature. Take measurements of your headphones before starting to ensure the cover will fit properly. Use a proper hook size. Use a crochet hook size that matches the yarn width we have chosen. This ensures your stitches are neither too tight nor too loose. Start with a magic ring. If you are making a circular cover, starting with a magic ring can give you a seamless and adjustable beginning. Consider stitch selection. Choose stitches that provide the desired texture and thickness of your cover. Single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet are common choices. Check fit as you go. Periodically try the cover on your headphones too. Pattern selection. You can find numerous free and paid crochet patterns for headphones covers online. These patterns vary in complexity, so choose one that matches your skill level and desired design. Adjusting size. If you cannot find a pattern specifically tailored to your headphone model, you may need to adjust the pattern to fit. You can do this by increasing or decreasing the snumber of stitches or rows as needed. Adding elastic. To ensure a snug fit, consider adding elastic to the opening of the cover. This can help keep the cover in place over the headphones. Customization. Crochet allows for endless customization options. You can incorporate different colors, stripes, textures, or even add embellishments like buttons, beads, or embroidery. Personalize your headphones cover. Seaming. Depending on the design of your cover, you may need to seam it together once we have finished crocheting. Use a yarn needle and matching yarn to sew the seam neatly and securely. Care instructions. Consider how your yarn choice and any embellishments will affect the care of the headphones cover. Some yarns may be machine washable, while others require hand washing. Be sure to include care instructions if gifting or selling your covers. Practice and patience. Crocheting headphones cover can be a fun and rewarding project, but like any new skill, it may take some practice to get the hang of it. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process of creating something unique and functional. Tension consistency. Maintain consistent tension throughout your work to ensure a uniform appearance. Pay attention to how tightly or loosely You are crocheting to avoid any tearing or stressing. Blocking. Consider blocking your finished covers to shape them nicely and even out any irregularities. Blocking involves wetting the correct pitch, gently shaping it and allowing it to dry flat. Test fit. Test the fit of your cover on the headphones regularly as you crochet. This allows you to make adjustments as needed to ensure a perfect fit. Work in rounds or rows. Depending on the design of your cover, you may need to work in continuous rounds or rows. Be sure to follow the pattern instructions carefully and use stitch markers to keep track of your progress. Joining new yarn. When joining new yarn, weave in the ends securely to prevent them from coming loose over time. You can also incorporate the new yarn by overlapping it with the old yarn and crocheting over both strands for a few stitches. Experiment with stitch patterns. Don't be afraid to experiment with different stitch patterns to achieve the desired look and feel for your headphones cover. You can create interesting textures using techniques like bubbles, popcorn stitches, or cables. Have fun. Most importantly, have fun with your project. Crocheting headphones covers is a creative endeavor, so enjoy the process and let your imagination run wild with colors, patterns, and embellishments. Use a stitch markers. If your pattern involves working in rounds, use a stitch markers to mark the beginning of each round. This will help you keep track of your progress and ensure your stitches are even. Share your work. Once you have completed your headphones covers, consider sharing photos for your finished project on social media or crafting forums. It is a great way to connect with other crocheters, get feedback, and inspire others with your creativity. I think these tips help you. Happy crocheting! Thank you so much for watching this video.